Hello and welcome to Innovation Station. Let's talk about liquids and solids. A liquid is simply matter that changes its shape when it's put into a different position or different container. Solid is matter that will not change its shape no matter where you put it. A liquid can become a solid, and a solid can become a liquid, right? Absolutely. States of matter can change if the right pressures and circumstances are applied. For instance, if you apply enough pressure to a solid, let's say a rock, it's going to crumble and become smaller. You can pulverize enough where eventually it could melt and become a liquid. Same thing for a liquid. If you apply the right circumstances, it can become a solid. For instance, putting water in an ice tray and putting it in the freezer, the water freezes and becomes a solid ice. I hope you've all taken a minute to watch the video of the read aloud of Bartholomew and the Oobleck by Dr. Seuss. I attached it to the post today just for you to enjoy. We're going to make Oobleck today. Now, we've talked about liquids and solids, but Oobleck is both liquid and solid. Let me prove it. We have cornstarch. We have a glass of plain clear water. And we have a bottle of green food coloring. I chose green because of the green oobleck in the story. I also have 2 measuring cups. I have a 1 cup measuring cup. And I have a half cup measuring cup. We'll be using those in just a few minutes. I have a mixing bowl and a wooden spoon. First thing we're going to do is measure our cornstarch. So we're going to put some cornstarch. Oh, it's okay to make a mess. It'll clean up. Cornstarch in a cup. And it's okay to double the recipe if you want to make more. But for us, we're only going to use 1 cup. So then you take the handle of your spoon, rub it across the top to make it a level 1 cup, just like that. Now let's measure our water, but before we do, I'm going to add a few drops of the green food coloring to our water. To make it, swirl it around a little bit. Right, now it's time to measure a half cup of water. Get it as close to the top as you can without spilling. Alright, now it's time to mix the water with the food coloring with the cornstarch. And we'll make our oobleck. There we go. Put it all in and begin to stir. Ooh, it's getting thick. I have to use my hands. Wow, it's already forming the mixture very well, actually. Let me show you what the oobleck does. It's hard when I put pressure on it, but when I let it loose, it runs through my fingers like water. Let's try that again. So it's really hard to pick up. I put pressure on it, it's hard like a rock, but when I loosen my fingers, it runs through my fingers. See? I told ya, oobleck is both liquid and solid. So I hope you guys have enjoyed learning how to make oobleck and seeing that it is both liquid and solid. I hope that as you're at home, you'll look around at your home, in your yard, in your neighborhood, find things that are both liquid and solid. Looking around here in my yard, in my space, there are lots of things that I could classify as either liquid or solid. And when it rains later, that's going to be a lot of liquid. Also, I hope many of you will try to make the oobleck at home. All you need is cornstarch and water, food coloring if you want, and it can be any color. It doesn't have to be green. Have fun with this project. It'll be quite a sensory experience for you. Remember, it's not a mystery, it's not magic, it's just science. Stay focused.